Authorities have begun demolishing 17 illegal shops near the Tito's Lane and Mambo's at Sautawada Beach in Baga. The Directorate of Tourism, with police support, carried out the action to remove unauthorized structures on government land and clear the coastal area.
It's your property, madam? Yes. This is your property. It was encroached by y'all? Then why it's getting demolished then?
I don't know. They have not given us any notice.
The notice was not served for you, but the officers are saying they have served your notice.
They must be having
almost
some
more.
They must be having some receiving of service.
Nothing is there. You all have asked for them. You all have asked for them. What they give you the answer?
I don't want to comment anything on this.
So it was encroached.
No.
Huh?
No.
It was not encroached. नमस्कार. तर तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता सकाळच्यान गोवा टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट व बाकी गव्हर्मेंट स्टाफ जो आसा हो सद्याक हांगासर पावलेलो आसा डेमोलिशन करपा खातीर. टोटल 17 स्ट्रक्चर्स आसले आनी त्या 17 स्ट्रक्चरांतले 6 स्ट्रक्चर जे आसा हे काल डेमोलिशन केल्ले आनी रेस्ट ऑफ द 11 जे आसा तेंचें डेमोलिशन आयज सकाळच्यान हांगासर चालू आसा. तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता कलंगूट पुलिसांचो स्टाफ हांगासर पावलेलो आसा डेमोलिशन करता त्या जाग्याचेर, कित्याक खंय ना खंय टेंट सिट्युएशन व वायलेशन हांगासर जावंक खोना म्हणून. हे आमी गोवा टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे ऑफिसर आसात त्यांच्या कडल्यान जाणून घेतला. आता ऑलमोस्ट लंच ब्रेक जाल्ल्या कारणान हे काम सद्याक स्टॉप दवरला. आफ्टर लंच परत ते काम स्टार्ट जातले.
So, हातून भितर एकले one person had filed a writ petition in the High Court, okay, regarding unauthorized this thing encroachment on the beach side. So, beach is come under it is the domain of the tourism department. So, I want to give a message to all the people who think they can encroach on the beach side, okay, that they can't do it. And when that happens, then tourism department will come, and what happens behind is it will lead to demolitions.
सो टोटल कितले स्ट्रक्चर्स हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर काडल्या डेमोलिशनाक?
So this is not the order by High Court. This petition, writ petition, is ongoing. Okay. The last hearing was held on Monday, that is 4th. Okay, and so in this we have conducted the survey according to the directions of the court. The survey is ongoing. The Sautawada survey was completed. Okay, and we have identified all the encroachments along with the surveyors deputed by the survey department, okay, in the tourism department. So we have completed the survey. We have identified the encroachment, and the encroachment are different sizes with different establishments. So accordingly, we are looking at the survey report and we are going ahead with the demolitions. Yesterday we demolished around 6, okay, and there are another 11 which we are demolishing today. Half of that is completed, and hopefully by evening we will finish with all the 17 structures.
So there was a complainant,
Yes.
and he has given the petition in the High Court. So High Court has ordered for you all,
Yes.
for Goa Tourism Department,
Yeah, because
to
it
make
is
a
the
sur-
encroachment on the beach side.
to make a survey.
Yes.
So you all have make a survey.
Yes, yes,
Acha.
yes.
Okay. So
This process will be ongoing. This is not only 17 structures in Sautawada. This will cover the whole coastline.
सो
So,
इन कांदोलीम कलांगूट
Everywhere,
एव्हरीवे
yes, yes,
सो आता जे सर्वे केला इट इज इन
South Award.
साऊथ आउट इन बागा
Yeah.
सो रेस्ट ऑफ द सर्वे
Yeah, once that survey is completed, because after the survey is completed, what we do is we have to issue notice. Okay, so we have to follow the process. So these notices we had issued in January. Some people didn't bother to reply. Okay, some people challenged it in the survey department. Yeah, survey is maybe wrong, or some people challenged it in the High Court.
Okay.
So those we have taken out, and this list 17. Okay, this we have identified which were not challenged. We have demolished.
So the people who has encouraged already you all have submitted notice for them.
Yes, already submitted. Full process is completed.
Full process
Yeah,
complete.
And the High Court is already regularly monitoring this.
Okay.
So ही नोटीस तुम्ही जानेवारीत दिली.
So तुमची एरिया कितले पडटा फ्रॉम द बीच टू द पॉइंट कितली एरिया पडटा ते डिस्टन्स
नाही सी बीच
Tourism
ज्याच्यान सुरू जाता आमी आमचे स्टोन्स न्ही बिचार मार्किंग केल्ले आसा विच आयडेंटिफायज विच इज प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी एंड विच इज बीच प्रॉपर्टी.
ओके
So the moment you cross that stone line, that part is encroached.
सो द लाइन इज ऑलरेडी
It is
मार्क
already there, and this is again this survey which is on. Some people challenge it, saying that it is wrong.
Okay.
But then we have all the survey maps with us.
maps. So they agree with that now.
Yes. Those who didn't challenge, demolition is on.
Demolition is going on. Okay. Thank you, sir. Is sir your good name?
Dheeraj Wagle, Deputy Director.
Deputy Director. Thank you, sir.